Look who it is.
Girl, it's alright, I'ma hold too. Just got a bag, I'ma blow through. I need some space, need O2. And I get the shit that you go through. It's probably my fault if I ghost you. I push away people I'm close with. Won't stand on and stand out on no shit. Yeah, we took a pic and I posted.
Stop, long. Side of the 347 now.
Yeah, we're literally off the highway.
Looks like we just crashed in the dirt, but we didn't.
It does.
Last night, the way it was sounding, it sounded like it was fucking water. Yeah, I didn't sound good at all. Well, I mean, there's a hole in the middle of the fucking thing. It looks like it's a jack point, so I'm using it. What if it's the oil pan?
Oh, that would not be good.
Does it look like it's the oil pan call?
Trying to keep us warm.
Carl,
We're making fire out here.
I'm keeping us warm. Keep jacking off. Up.
Oh.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Next up on Animal Planet.
Yeah, I don't need it. Oh, he's in the web? He's in the web?
Are you fucking a spider hole with a stick?
No, I'm trying to put ants in it to fucking see if the spider will come out and eat them. Oh my god, look how far this stick goes in. Dude, I know a few holes that can go this deep. It was that one. See how far that stick goes in. Whole thing. Oh my god, we're ripping it open. Oh my god. I know a few that can do that too. On that pussy,
Oh, we're going up like this.
we're doing it.
Oh, we're doing it. No way. Hell yeah.
Sir.
That was steep.
That's what I'm talking about, Ramp. Soup for the win. Soup for the fucking win. Hey, we're gonna try to really get down tonight for the vlog. We're gonna have some fun tonight. Getting no fucking cheeks, bro, so you can chill out with that. You're not getting these cheeks.
I'm getting them.
Call the cops!
I'm getting them, man.
Call the police! Call the police!
Oh, I'm gonna get these.
Call the police! Call the police! Call the police!
Hey, you're.
Call the police! Call the police!
Now he needs his tampon changed.
Call the cops. Call the cops. Call the cops.
Why don't you like me?
Close your mouth.
I'm gonna go get the fucking rhinus.
A rhinus? What?
It's a rhinoceros one that's gonna go up your anus.
Hey, I want all to know right now, you guys literally all sound dumb as shit right now.
Hey, pump your booster seat up some more.
Nobody's talking to you, bitch.
Shut up, you
Right?
puppet.
You're gonna piss me off right now, bitch.
Shut up, you puppet.
Oh, I like when my man gets angry.
You got poo?
Nah, nobody's got that. Dude, I really don't want to hear your mouth right now, fucking four eyes.
Shut up, fucking peanut packet.
Nobody's a peanut
You
packet.
two chump pump.
Shooty, baby. That's how you be fucking dude.
I just want to give a huge shout out to today's sponsor, Shine Armor. Thank you for sponsoring today's video. Now today we are going to be reviewing their new graphing ceramic spray. This stuff is supposed to help protect your paint in every situation possible. It's supposed to help defend from water droppings, water spots. This stuff right here is supposed to help defend from water spots on your vehicle's paint, as well as defend your vehicle from bugs, sap, and droppings. Now, we're gonna go ahead and try this stuff out on the boosted Godspeed Audi A4 and see how this stuff really reacts. Damn, bro.
What?
Bro, it's like a mirror.
Is it really?
Like, no BS. No way. The difference here. Insane. Yo, and it glides.
Do that again?
Yo. Shine Armor. As you guys can see, the towel does get stuck. It should be able to glide. Now we're gonna do the same motion here. Same amount of force. Same amount of force.
Can you use that as a selling point? Why did I just tell you? God, dude.
Shine Armor. Where do we go from here?
We go get the water and then show them. Because that's the main selling point of graphene
Ceramic spray.
ceramic spray.
It's supposed to help repel water spotting.
Right.
Defend water
Right.
spotting.
Right. So let's go ahead. Yeah.
Bro, you drank it all.
Yeah, no. Use a faucet. The hell?
Yo.
We're in a goddamn house. Look at it.
Man's a genius. You know, we like to fill it up before we take it for a spin. This isn't about cars. We're gonna leave the product under review up on the shelf and we're gonna test it out with some water. We're gonna make it seem like it's raining up in here. Yo! I would say it's actually doing its job. Wait a damn minute. Wait a minute here. Look at those nice beads.
Wow.
Wow. Let's see what happens on the roof.
Wow, look at that. Nothing.
What did we do? what did I just get myself into?
No, use the fucking truck. That's why I keep saying it.
I mean,
Alright, dude, it's not working.
it's not okay. I'm gonna go cry. If you guys do want to go use code CRUISE down in the description to buy some Shine Armor. They actually do have a lot of great products on their website that you guys can go and buy. I just got jokes, you know. Thank you again, Shine Armor, for sponsoring today's video. We really do appreciate it. Now let's get back into the normal programming.
Yo, we just got out here. We actually drove the caddy. You know what I'm saying? Yo, no way. We have a wide body Supra sitting in the parking lot. How the fuck does that work? Honestly. Hold up, before I get into the show, oh my goodness. Oh my god. Yo, this just got me geeking out in the parking lot. You wish you could be like this. You wish you could look like this. So far, so good. I'm loving being back in the car scene. It's orgasmic, literally orgasmic being back out here. That one kid, Terrence, yes sir. Ugh. What is up, beautiful? Look who it is! That's good, my boy. I'm gonna let him finish the transaction.
Just asking you where you were.
Bro, I was trying to find myself around. I was like, where is this booth at, bro? like
You found it.
yeah, touch the
Check out
hoodie,
the
bro.
boots, bro. Check out the new hoodie.
Bro, I saw this last night. I was like, yo.
Check out the game setup over here.
You got a game set up too, bro?
Yeah, they got the game set up. They got the Gloria and the Sandbar, all right-hand drive.
God damn, okay, okay. It's official. It's official. I'm gonna be out here too, bro. Yeah. I'm gonna get yeah.
For what? Bro.
Oh, no way.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. No, bro, I got some fire designs coming up, bro. This was just a work season. Yeah. We are, bro. We are gonna do a collab very soon.
You heard it here first.
Yes, collab. No way.
Huh? What's going on with the story that you got? Why do you say you're the U-Haul cultures?
See, they know what happened there. Why I rented like 7 different U-Haul trucks in the span of a month. Doing a lot of moving though, in and out, trying to make my garage a shop space. Yeah, so it's been all over the place, but we had some fun with the U-Hauls. Yeah, for sure.
I saw you guys took it off roading and shit. That's why I was
Yeah.
like, what the fuck?
Bro,
Off-roading?
yes, we got videos of donuts in
Hey,
it.
they
bro.
took-
Yes, donuts in
back,
it.
like, I know you guys cleaned it, but like, it looked like toss my dirt
Bro,
back in
what? Hey, bro, it's lit out here. It feels good. Y'all, check out the merch. Go check it out. SubVitaClothing.com. Go pick up some.
Hi guys, welcome to the Sanctuary Quattro. Okay.
Did you forget how to record, bro? How to vlog?
You guys are so professional.
What are those?
We're here until 11, right?
Shoes.
No, I'm talking about the bags on the shoes.
Oh,
That's some bougie shit. Ashley?
Let's go.
What? She on probation at the meet. I mean, it works. That's slick. That's slick. Another homie, Jeremy. Where you at, my boy?
Yeah, where's Jeremy?
Where is Jeremy at, bro? I swear, I see so many cars, but not faces, bro. I don't know if you guys have seen this Mustang before, but this is a homie Jeremy's. He actually built this himself. Full one-of-one wide body kit. And it's on this Mustang, which is very, very cool. Yeah. We all live in the same small town. Wild. Wild to see that.
Pretty sick.
Pretty fucking sick. This is like we're in Forza. We're at Horizon right now. With the sunset too, bro. Ugh. Arizona's a vibe. And obviously the car scene out here is a vibe too, because like this is actually one of the biggest events other than IFO I've gone to, and this is actually probably bigger than IFO, not gonna lie. Bro, this is how my girl feels. Dead ass. Yo, best model. Oh, we vlogging? Oh yes, 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 yes. Where's my SIGs at, man? Are y'all selling SIGs? SIGs Rally Edition?
Rally cars, bro.
You love them?
I love rally cars, yeah.
Come on, Sean. You can do way better than that, bro. This car is a show, not a petting zoo. Look, but do not touch. I'm gonna touch it. I think it's socially acceptable in the car community to touch cars. Honestly, I think it is. Back to this one though. It's low-key making me want to whip a Prius around. And this thing, does it have a motor in it? I don't know about that one, bud, but sheesh. Fitment on point. That's all I gotta say. Oh my god. Okay, this one, I'm leaving it right there on the wheel.
That's sick. Oh, wait.
Nobody's watching me, right? What's good, my boy? I've been trying to find you all day.
Oh yeah? I was watching the car hop.
Hell yeah.
Just started YouTube too, so we're
Hell
trying
yeah.
to get that going. Obviously it's gonna start off slow. Our first video got 46 views.
Bro, it's
Whatever.
normal. Trust me, if you guys know how YouTube works, the longer you have videos posted, the more views they get.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm sitting at a video right now with almost 30K.
I mean I get like fucking tons of views on Instagram.
Yeah, bro.
80K, 50K, 30K, 28K, 22K, 100, 208K.
It's because you literally have all the
It's
hype
fucking
cars,
Supra,
bro.
too.
It's a fucking Supra.
47, I have the Mark III, all that shit.
Everything, bro. You have the whole lineup. Everybody's dream builds are just sitting here.
Yeah, we literally was talking about like making YouTube like a few years ago or so, but I'm so glad we started now because we got content to, you know,
Oh, most definitely.
take it off. So
Yeah, especially with the car scene popping the way it is right now, and IFO coming up again too.
yeah.
It's gonna be lit out here.
So is car and AZ.
No, but watch you lose to like an RC car or some shit.
Oh, they don't know any of that.
I
haven't
bet.
seen any shit lower. I haven't seen a Honda Beat or anything like that. So that would literally be like our worst nightmare, like a packed Honda Beat. But
Yeah, I'll just...
good thing there ain't one here in Arizona.
Yeah, and I ain't seen nothing lower than that.
Go fast on screen.
Bro, that's literally what I love about you, dog. Is you literally assess everything to what you're doing on the day.
If I want to drive the Mark III, boom.
That is a picture of the actual Mark III we were just speaking of.
Yeah. That's gonna be at fuel fast guaranteed and next IFO here Wild Horse.
Hell yeah. Bro, Supra,
Two Supras.
Supra on the shirt,
Oh yeah.
and Supra at the show.
Hold on.
And Supra on the phone case.
Second one for sure.
Bro, I got it on cam too.
Man.
Deep in the oversteer. Been talking hella shit about it.
It's facts. It's facts.
Hey, but
You gotta have the right tires, my guy.
Facts.
And you gotta have air in them. Turns out you gotta have air in your tires.
So you out here bagging bitches too, bro?
Nah. Stay away from those.
No.
Bag some books. Go to school. Get some knowledge. Bag a good job. Bag a good job and keep it.
Y'all
Fuck
heard
these
that?
hoes.
He said go to college.
No,
Waste
fuck
your
college,
money.
fuck college. Just high school, get a GED or a diploma. Start your own business, make money, buy a car or whatever, and do your hobby.
Live money, buy better.
Be smart. Be rich. Figure it
rich.
out. I'm still figuring it out. But I'm here. We outside! We out here! We outside!
Get your money up, not your money
Fuck
up.
bitches get money.
Fuck bitches get money. Y'all know I
But
love
don't
to say.
fuck them though, but don't fuck them though.
Nah, we don't need no kids out here. For real. man is really bagging this bike and he's also bagging your bitch. I'm just gonna say that. Just gotta say that.
Nothing not to worry about.
Oh, no fucking way, my boy. What? What's good, bro? How you been? Hell yeah, good, bro. I'm feeling good to be back up in the car.
Hell yeah, dude, I seen that shit.
Hell yeah.
Who, what, where, how? That man got Geico, Allstate, State Farm, Nationwide.
Honestly,
Everybody's hands right now.
look who it is. Bro, Fast and Furious vibes right now. Forever.
Darling, you